So, right now I just swing with just the Mirror Smith.
Yeah, just the Mirror Smith.
Yeah. If I draw like my third island, that's pretty much game. Yeah. It'd be really funny if he swung in here just for any reason. I would so dispense some justice, if you will. But I don't think so. He's not gonna take that risk. Cost 2, right? So you can put a -1/-1 counter, and you can also bounce.
You mean bounce?
Disperse, I mean.
Oh. You also have the -4/-4, but you have a counter, so you can counter the disperse.
Ooh, okay. Let me see. I have the replica. So what I can do? All right. I think I. Okay, he can put. Let's see. -1/-1 counter. I'm thinking I'm trying to force him to do stuff. With my replica. Whether that's worth it. I'll get him down to 1.
You can just get him down to 1 now. He kills the 2/1. You swing out. Your Mirror Smith dies. One of your mirrors dies, and the other 2 mirrors get 2 for damage. He goes down to 1.
Right.
But I mean.
Oh, geez, I had to do this first. What's your workshop?
So I would play this. I'll play this out anyways, because I have a feeling if he's gonna kill the Mirror Smith, I want to try to get an
Oh yeah,
extra.
that's right. Yeah, that's good.
That's the other thing. So I'm gonna play him out actually.
No complaints. I didn't think of that. Yeah, he can make a mirror. Forgot.
Sorry, it's taking so long for to figure that out. Actually, I have Metalcraft.
Yeah.
So.
What's wrong with that?
Give me a sec. Stoic rebuttal. Stoic rebuttal. I'm gonna use my plane.
What to say?
So let me see, and then okay, he could -1/-1s one of my 2/1s, block the other one.
Well, he's gonna have -1/-1. Your 2/1 unblockable.
Right, of course, I know.
Unblockable.
Right. So I'm just swinging in.
Yep, swing out.
God, I don't know why I'm taking so long for this. I was trying to be sure, because I'm still worried about him stabilizing.
Yes.
What can he do? Pretty sure it's GG.
I'm just worried about disperse.
But you can counter disperse.
I know, but I was thinking beforehand.
Oh.
Let me see. You could put -1/-1 on the unblockable. He'll block. He'll block. He'll take 2. He'll be down to 1.
And you just swing out next turn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, kind of expected that.
It's fine. He probably has I think he has -4/-4.
Yeah, and I would counter that.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Metalcraft. So now, yeah, he's definitely forced to block. Yeah, this is bad for him.
He has to
Probably
block with
trick,
2/1.
probably trick a mage.
Probably block with Trinket Mage, and then the Draco block a mirror.
Yep.
Yeah. I like the wrong mirror, but okay.
Well, I don't think like the mana is important at this part of the.
Well, is important.
Right.
As opposed to a token.
Right.
Dude, I love that fucking baseline.
Alright, so.
Whatever he does, you pretty much, if he plays a creature, you just bounce it. That's pretty much it. You can't play Extractor Demon, which would be detrimental, but
I'll try my. Okay, short's my back.
you can try on, and then he has 3 mana. So you disperse. Or you just get blue and just take care of his Drake.
Yeah. Yeah, there's not much. Thankfully, there's no, like, instant global wipe or anything like that. I love your sweet mates, by the way. Adding some ambiance to this. But yeah, it's not looking so great for him at this point. Not with Ripcord. Ripcord actually helps a lot. And I don't know if he's thinking now he's just trying to stall out.
Installing out.
Yeah, that's fine with me. So yeah, I'm pretty confident I'll be moving, so that's good. That's something. Yeah. Did I mention that if you had participate since it's the pre-release, I get a promo? Or is it the worm?
Yeah, one.
Yeah. And then if I can get first place, I get a premium foil. God, that's awesome.
Oh, he's doing something. 5 mana? Okay.
Ooh. That's nice.
Cute. Alright, so he survives for a turn.
Alright, come on, island.
Let's get blue.
Oh, that works.
That does not work at all.
Actually, I mean, it looks good enough.
I mean, you could balance this creature, attack for 2, and then play Hippogriff with the Iron Mirror.
Right.
It's like it's just cute.
That might be the best. I don't know, actually.
I mean, you just swing out now and get him down to 1. So, I mean,
that would probably be the safest bet. Block. He can kill. Yeah, I think swing out. That way, if he kills
swing out with everything and just play Hippogriff. I mean, there's no point to hold it back.
Right.
I mean, hopefully he blocks the Iron Mirror. But,
what?
So evidently it was for him to block the token.
God. Come on, block the mirror. Yes! 2 additional life. I'm way too happy about this.
Well, it's not that. You gain card advantage, which is more relevant.
Right. Yeah.
Do white. Oh, okay.
Not that the life matters at this point, but still. Alright, come on, what you got? Another Exandrinate. Do it. So if he does that though, I win then. I mean, if he just wants to do that for fun.
If he has what?
Another Exandrinate. Ooh, nice.
Okay. Fine. Just draw a freaking island.
I know, right? Right? Come on, here you go. This is it. Yes! So, yeah.
Okay. Let's just get rid of his Drake.
Yeah, I'm just gonna gain control of it.
Yeah, just do it now. There's no
Just do it now. Show him the bomb. Show him the bomb. What's my bomb? That's my bomb. God. Ugh. Go ahead, sack returns back to your hand. Do it. You're dead anyways, might as well.
Yeah, he can't.
You can't do anything else. Yeah.
Yeah.
The game so. Yes. Oh, he literally left. Oh well. But yeah. Yay, round 1 in the bag.
Nice.
So, you're heading out now?
Yeah,
Alright.
probably.
Alright, I'll continue on. If you can just call and you'll see if I'm
You
still
can
playing.
you can just leave it up.
Right, I know. So,
Yeah, I may come back within like an hour or so.
okay. So,
Alright,
it's been
good
round
luck.
1. Yeah, thanks. See you next round.
Bye.
Alright, see ya.